Okay, hello. I'll be going over how to install VS Code because it's what we use to code on. It's what the robot code is on. So everyone will ideally use this. If you want to use your own uh, IDE, then go for it. VS Code's flexible. It can do like all the language we'll deal with. So yeah, and it's what we'll be coding in our tutorials. So I highly recommend following this tutorial. So I'm on Windows. If you're on a Mac or Linux, here are your downloads. If you have questions with those, ask, but we're not as experienced with it. We'll have to like see your specific uh, issues if you have any issues with it on a Mac. So just let us know in the Discord if you're having problems. So you just click download there for Windows and then you run it. And I have one installed, but this should uh, override that. So you accept it. I highly recommend adding to path. It just makes things down the line much easier. You can choose to add these other ones if you want. I think I'll keep these ones. Yep. And then install. And then you just wait for this to load. Might take longer, might be faster, who knows. And then finish, and it'll ask you to launch. And yeah, it opened up, and it opened up the website I was working on. Okay, so normally you'll see this though, a new window. This is the view you'll get. And then the most important pages here is right here, extensions, this one. Extensions is basically how you kind of add your languages, you add your features to VS Code. So I already have Python here, so I can run Python files. I don't have the Java one, but if I want to add that, all I do is type Java, and then almost always the first one's the best one. This Java extension pack includes 6 other things, which, I'll just install the whole bunch. I might need to restart VS Code, so I won't be able to show it working right now, but that's Java. Um, and specifically to Java, it might ask you to install your JDK or update it. If you don't know what that is, that's fine. Just follow the instructions, and then again, if you have trouble with it, just let us know. And see, there, the extension's been enabled globally. Nice. So then, all I have to do is open a folder here. So I can go here, move it over here, and go to my VS Code folder. I have a bunch of files here. Stay organized. It helps in the long run, or if you don't want to, it's fine. Uh, you don't have to be. So then, yeah, you have VS Code. You know where your extensions are. Um, get the ones you want. I highly recommend. There's the WhippyLib extension. This is for robot code, but we won't be starting that yet. This one, TabNine, is very nice. It just auto completes really well. Like, it can do entire lines for you sometimes. You just click enter and the entire line you wanted to write is there. Bracket pair colorizer, this is helpful. And there's all sorts of extensions. You guys can look through it. There's recommended ones that they'll give you down here. And yeah, see you in the next video.